Welcome to Word Processing 2, Topic 1.2.1, Adjust Margins and Tabs. So we have seen some work with margins, which we'll review in a moment. We have not yet seen a lot of work with tabs. So first we need a fair amount of content, this time from Project Gutenberg, which means it's in the public domain. I'm going to go with a segment of The War of the Worlds, specifically Book 1, Chapter 1. Simply because right now it seems kind of appropriate, where we have an invading army that gets wiped out because they are simply not prepared to deal with the diseases in the area that they are entering. So, the margins, remember, are represented by these black spots on top. So we could pull the margins in. That is one way to adjust the margins. So we can also edit things like the page setup. And this allows us to also adjust the margins, top, bottom, left, right. They force us to work with inches, unfortunately. But we can adjust the margins there. And we can do it in the whole document or in the selected content had anything been selected. With margins done, we now move on to tabs. So the tab stops will be where the cursor ends when you hit tab. So, for example, we did learn that we could do a hanging indent on our paragraphs by dragging this top button. But we might want to tab things out in the middle of our passage. We can hit tab and you see how it jumps here on top. We can also add a left tab stop there. So we can click on the ruler and we get these left tab stops. Then when we press tab, it will line up with that tab stop we put on top. We do a center tab stop and we have centered orientation. With no tabs, I just tab out here. We'll pass that center. We can also do right tab stops, so we can manipulate the tab stops as we want them.